So we just finished doing a bunch of videos with Caymus and Murphy, and now we're outside. Caymus and Murphy both love to creep along either brick or tile and then roll on it. So anyway, Caymus asked to go outside, and I told him that we would. Murphy's, Bo, you can't go out that way, sirs. Go grab him real fast. Bo, I don't want to go over that way. I'm not. Go focus on Caymus, and then I can do what I want to do. Right, Bobo? I said, where's my bow? That's my bow. That's my bow. There's my new. There's my new, and there's my bow. Bo, we're not going to go out there. I don't want to go out all there. Yeah. Come here, Bo. Not that way, baby. Thank you, sweetheart. I thank you. When Murphy was, I'd say like 2 or 3 years old, he just took off running into the backyard and ran into our neighbor's yard, and I had to call the neighbors and ask them if we could come over and get him. It's awful. So I don't completely trust Murphy. But Caymus doesn't move quickly, ever. Bo, where are we going? Just hanging out. It's 45 degrees and freaking chilly. But we got the sun shining. The sun shining helps a lot. Cock-a-nooing. Get my cock-a-nooings. Freaking love this cat. Where you going? You can go that ways? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? I was trying to get a close-up of your face. Where are you going? Are you going to get back on the tiles? Noose, you're going to go on. Okay, bye. Bye, Noose. That tail is awfully busy. Is that tail saying, leave me alone, I am an exploring kitty. Get him, Noose.